guys, I made it back from New York safe and sound, and I am absolutely tickled to death to be back home. I had an amazing trip, but you know, you go somewhere, you sit and think, oh, I wish I could get out of where you're at, you know, go on vacation, whatever. But if you're like me, you get there and enjoy yourself, and it's like, oh, I'm ready to go home. I'm so ready to go. I was so ready to come home. I swear. Look at my fancy dancy shirt. Sporting my new New York shirt. We did have an amazing time. But like I said, I am just so happy to be home. I brought back lots of souvenirs for all my family, and lots of t-shirts, and some just neat little things that, look at a little bit. She's already a little bit missed me, so look at that. She likes stuff on the walls. Look how cute that is. I brought some really amazing souvenirs back for my family, and I'm excited to see everybody, and I can't wait to see both my sons. Obviously I spent all week with Olivia because I chaperoned her band trip, so they're in New York, and we just had such a blast. I just can't tell you how much fun we had. We got to do a lot of different things. The tour group that we went with had us set up for all kinds of amazing things, and I'm going to share all of that with you. But first off, I've been cleaning this morning. My house really needs cleaned, and I can't even tell you how happy I am to see my husband. I'm telling you what, I am the luckiest girl in the world. I just love that man with my heart and soul, and I really missed him, and I was just so tickled to death to see him. But I am going to run to the grocery store because I have some amazing recipes I'm going to share with you guys, and I go back to work Wednesday, so I need to get those uploaded, cooked and then uploaded. But we're going to be eating some amazing dishes the next couple days. But anyway, I'm gonna possibly include a couple little short video clips here of my trip to New York. I didn't do a lot of vlogging because we were, like I said, doing a, look at a little bit, she's so happy her mom is back. We were doing a, I can't even talk. We were doing a tour, and of course we had 26 kids with us, so I didn't really do any, just little bits and pieces of filming, but my baby missed her mama. But I'm going to include those clips in this video. But I'm going to run to the store, get some groceries, because, oh, you know what we really missed? I'm having hamburgers tonight. That's simply what I'm having tonight. I want some cheeseburger and french fries. It's like you couldn't find french fries anywhere around New York. So I'm craving some french fries. But I'm going to run to the store, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. What you think of my new shirt? Alright guys, we're going to do a quick grocery store haul, whatever. Oh, it got dark in here. Gotta do my grocery store haul after my New York trip. But first, most importantly, like, I had to stop and get my doggy some little chew toys, little chew bones. So there's one for Miss Daisy and one for little Roscoe. That's part of my grocery store haul there. I'm cooking dinner tonight. I haven't cooked in a week, so I went and got everything that I'm going to cook for dinner. Well, I got stuff to cook for dinner tomorrow night as well. Tomorrow night I'm going to be making some wedge salads. I love wedge salads, so I bought some bacon to go on those. They're just going to be a typical, excuse me, I had McDonald's breakfast. I was craving something salty. In New York, they don't have salt packets sitting around like they do here. So I needed my McDonald's fix. But I'm going to do some simple wedge salads with a little bit of blue crumbled cheese and tomatoes, and maybe some red onions and some cucumbers, and maybe some boiled eggs. Just a typical wedge salad. I wanted a wedge salad, so, and what also I'm going to be making with the wedge salad tomorrow is I got a big pack of chicken breast, because I'm going to be making, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big old pack of chicken breast. I'm going to be making like a cheesy chicken, not really a casserole. It's going to be like a bake. I'm leaving the chicken breast whole. I'm taking some sour cream and I'm going to infuse that with lots of delicious flavors, and I'm going to spread that right on top. It's going to add an extra layer of goodness to it. It's going to make it stay nice and juicy, but I'm going to share that recipe with you guys tomorrow as well. So I'm doing that tomorrow. I also bought a big old head of cauliflower because I'm going to do some, that's not cauliflower, that's lettuce. Where's my cauliflower? Big head of cauliflower because I'm going to do some riced cauliflower. And I'm also going to do, the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it like a Mexican style riced cauliflower. It's going to be so delicious. I got some green onions. I got a nice, big, delicious cucumber. Love these kind of cucumbers. They're my favorite. I got 3 bell peppers. I got 2 green ones and a red, woo, there's the light, 2 green ones and a red one. Because also with that chicken, I'm also going to do some oven chicken kebabs because it's really too chilly to grill. And I'm kind of in the mood for some chicken teriyaki kebabs. So I'm going to do that as well. And I'm going to share that recipe with you too. Got a big red onion. And what else I get? I got some Lawry's teriyaki marinade. That's what I like to use on my chicken. It's the best. I found that it's the best. So that's what I'm going to use. And I got, Olivia loves these whole pickles. I got those. So that was a little snacky for her. I needed some pepper. I bought some pepper. I bought a can of pineapple chunks for my chicken kebabs. I bought some green chilies to go in my Mexican or Spanish type cauliflower rice that we're going to have with our dinner tomorrow night. I bought 2 cans of those because I like my rice, cauliflower rice, whatever, just like my life. I like it a little bit spicy. I got some chicken stock that's also going to go in that recipe. I got some petite diced tomatoes because you know those are my favorite. I'm not sure what's going on with the lighting here, so I got 2 cans of those. I got a head of lettuce for my wedge salads. What's that? I got some ground chuck, a nice big thing of ground chuck because we are, tonight, I'm keeping it simple. We're going to do some hamburgers and french fries because that is what I have been wanting. Got some garlic. Let's try to adjust this a little bit. I'm not really sure what's going on with the lighting. I know what y'all doing. You're checking out my new New York shirt. Say that fast 3 times. Got some buns for hamburgers tonight. Half a gallon of milk. Vitamin D, of course. That's all I buy is vitamin D. I got about 4 of the Roma tomatoes. It's also going to go on our wedge salad. I love the Roma tomatoes. And I couldn't find these. But I went ahead and bought these because, like I said, I'm going to do some chicken teriyaki skewers tomorrow in the oven. I bought some cilantro. I hope that's cilantro. You know what? I hope I didn't actually. You know what? I think I accidentally bought parsley. Oh my God, I'm going to be so mad. I need cilantro for this dish. I'm going to have to go back to the store and get cilantro. This is not cilantro. That is parsley. That makes me mad. I got to go back and get some cilantro. I got some provolone cheese. It's going to go on the chicken. I got me an avocado to go on top of my wedge salad. Oh, that makes me so mad. Now I have to go back and get some cilantro. And then I want to show you. When you buy avocados, you need to make sure that you, I just got a little bump there. You want to make sure that you get the darker ones because the darker ones signify that, or they let you know that they're more ripe. So that's the ones that you want to get is the darker ones. If you're looking to eat them right away, you need to get the darker ones because they're so much easier to, and they're more riper and they're delicious. I got some Parmesan cheese. And that's it. That's all I got. I'm going to get my groceries put up. And then you know what? I think I'm going to take me a nice little nap. Why? Because I can. Oh, I can't believe I have to go back and get that. Oh, that's good. Oh well, I got somewhere to go tonight, so that'll be perfect. Because I also forgot to get stuff to do laundry and forgot my Tide, so I'll have to stop and get that. But yeah, that's my post New York grocery haul. What you think about that? All right, y'all, look at my chicken teriyaki oven kebabs. Look how amazing those look. And you know I'm gonna be sharing this recipe with you. Actually, I'm filming it. That's why I am making them. So I hope you like this little short vlog video, my after New York trip. I'm gonna dig into these. So I will see you guys on the next vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know I love you all so very much. Bye.